Boobies, what's up, it's JeanitaBlue, and today I'm coming to you guys because we are going to be curl wanding my hair. Yay! I'm super excited. So in my last video I went ahead and I showed you guys how I get this really pretty color. Instagram decided to choose my colors for me, and yes, they decided that I want this pretty pink like color. Okay, we are going to be styling my hair. Now this is 24-inch wig from Miss Luna Hair. I haven't had curls in a really long time, so I'm just so ready to get my hands on them and feel super fun and girly and all that good stuff. So, oh, and by the way, if you aren't subscribed, make sure that you are subscribing. Click that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get right into it. Ow. Okay guys, so starting out, I'm just going to be using this silk foam lotion. So this is basically just like a mousse. Also, you're going to want some got to be glued gel. Once we get to the end, you'll see why. And of course, you'll need a curling wand. This one is about 1 inch, and I'm just basically turning the fire up on this thing and we're going to get it going. So guys, do you see the watercolor that I did? If you haven't seen that video, you need to go and check it out for sure. But these are the results of my hair. So first, I'm just brushing my hair out, gonna detangle it, and I'm basically gonna walk you guys through a step-by-step process to get like the most beautiful curls you ever wanted to see. So first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and separate your hair. You're going to be working on one side to the other. This method I feel like is the best way to be sure that your curls come out, and they come out in a nice way that doesn't look too perfect but also, you know, not too messy. You'll see once you get to the end. So what you want to do is just take a small section and you want to just apply some of that mousse, that foam lotion, and comb it out. I get it about 90 to 95% dry before I actually go ahead and add my curl wand, because you want to be sure that you know, the heat can take it, it's not too wet, and basically you can just be able to control the type of curls that come out, and of course they'll be more firm because you applied the mousse. But as you can see, this first one I needed to turn the heat up because it wasn't hot enough. So depending on your hair, you'll be able to see which temperature you want it on. I ended up at about 400 degrees. So what I'm going to do is take another section and I'm going to start wrapping the hair. Now, as you can see, the way that I do this, I take the hair, I make it flat, and then I wrap it, okay? You make it flat and then you want to wrap it around, because when you make it flat like this, you'll be able to basically just see it come out and all the hair be in one layer and not multiple different ones. So it gives a more crisper hairstyle once they begin to fall, and it allows you to detangle it. Once you decide to wash your hair, you'll be able to just, you know, run your comb, run your fingers, run your water right through it, and not have to worry about your hair being matted or detangled. Okay guys, so as you can see, I move along here and I'm going to the next part of my hair. Now, as you notice, I'm actually taking smaller sections than the ones that I did in the back, because the ones that I did in the back were bigger. You want the back of your hair to be more full, with wider curls, and at the top you want them to be tighter, just because I feel like I really enjoy the look that it gives you. Okay, and so the ones closer up, as you can see, they're a tad bit smaller than the ones in the back, and the ones in the very front, I make these like 1/4 of the normal size, because these ones in the front are just, it gives like the most adorable look, because you know what, to me it makes me feel like I have layers, or it's kind of like a bang. Like, I feel like it just gives a lot of definition to your face when you have the smaller curls in the front. So now that I've finished with that side, I'm just going to go ahead and, again, as you can see, we're separating the hair. Separate the top from the bottom. Go ahead and just pin that side up and then just clamp it. And now I'm just going to comb this side through. And again, look at the watercolor. Like, if you haven't seen the video, you have to watch it. Like, we're not friends anymore if you don't go watch that video or haven't seen that video. Yeah. But if you haven't, you know, just subscribe, and you know, I might forgive you. All right, and so I finished with the back, and now I'm gonna go in and finish this section again. So what you want to do is separate your hair. I'm putting that top section up, adding my mousse, and then going in with each section, making flat taking flat pieces and wrapping them around the curling wand, being sure to get the ends of the hair each time you go. And as you can see, I brush this here because I want to ensure that the mousse has taken in all strands of the hair. Okay, and now let's talk technique. So as you can see right now, I'm wrapping this hair away from my face. The idea is to have your curls go the opposite way, as if your hair was going to the back, because you want your hair to fall to the back of your face and not forward, because you won't be able to see your face, especially if you have curly hair. So if your curls are coming back, it still allows you to see your face. And so again, another piece, I'm wrapping all the way to the end, to that very tip, because that does need to be wrapped all the way to the end. Hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds, and voila, you have this perfect curl. All right guys, so you see me go all around my head doing these curl wands. And if you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and click that subscribe button, guys. I'm trying to get to 15,000 subscribers by the end of this month. Okay, so if you haven't guessed the month, when I posted this video, it is February. Valentine's Day is coming up, hence the pink hair. I don't know, maybe that's why Instagram picked it. But again, as you can see, technique, going back and back and back and back. Yeah, but basically I like to come to YouTube and give hair tips because there's things that I know that I've either learned from like generations in my family, or from other people that I've seen, other YouTubers, friends who just show me things, and I'm like, oh my goodness, that is like such an awesome tip. Like, I should share this with people. More people should know this. So the goal is to solve those hair problems. Like, the very first video I made was like how to make a wig, and everybody was like, what? You made a wig? How did you make a wig? And so I said, well, I need to make how to make a wig YouTube videos. And so that was really the start of me getting into hair videos here on YouTube. But I really do love it. And so again, please subscribe to the channel, become a Bluebee. I literally have the most amazing subscribers right now. I think we're at like 13K, a little over 13K. And like, these people are amazing. Our basically brand mantra is be blessed, be beautiful, and be you. Be who you are. Love yourself. I wear glasses and I don't care. I love my glasses and I want pink hair. And so now my hair is pink. I have a YouTube channel. I love myself. I'm confident. You know what I mean? Great things are happening. Oh, be sure to go ahead and spritz your hair. Something on the brush and then brush it down. But seriously, like, I really live a blessed life and I'm so very grateful for all the things that I have. And I'm basically ranting, but I want you to say, like, I love myself. You know what I mean? Say, I'm proud of myself. Say, I'm gonna follow my dream. Trust your intuition. Trust your heart. Like, you have gifts. Be sure that you are all acting on your gifts. I typically don't do this in these hair videos, but I don't know, something got in me today. So I can really show you guys the beautiful colors that my watercolored style did. And this was a super blonde 1613 wig, and I have transformed it into this beautiful, pretty pink. My name is JeanitaBlue. Always remember to be blessed, be beautiful, and most importantly, love be you. I'll see you in